Hello, as Mayor of Neath Talbot, it's an honour to send out this message and thank you for watching. Armed Forces Day is the day we come together to recognise and give thanks to our armed service communities, both past and present. Due to ongoing COVID-19 guidelines, public events held around Armed Forces Day in previous years, such as parades and concerts, have once again been put on hold. This year, once more, we are marking the day mainly online and via social media. We owe so much to our armed forces. They are the protectors of our freedom and security in times of crisis and threat. They are there on the front line for us. Too easily, they can be taken for granted. During the pandemic, our armed forces have once again been there to help. They supported our Neges by delivering PPE and providing logistics expertise. They've helped build field hospitals up and down the country, supported our ambulance service and helped set up our testing and vaccination programs. Locally, Army and RAF personnel helped set up the mass vaccination centres at Margam and Fabian Way. They made significant contribution to the success of the vaccination programme, and their presence helped instill confidence in the whole operation. At the vaccination centre at Margam Orangery, the musicians on duty from RAF Salon Orchestra even played music to calm the nerves of the first visitors the day centre opened. After very brief COVID-compliant flag-raising ceremonies this week, our Special Armed Forces Day flags are now proudly flying at Port Talbot and Neath civic centres. So, on behalf of Neath Port Talbot Council and the wider community, I'd like to express our sincere thanks to all those who make up our armed forces community, from currently serving troops, service families, veterans, reservists, cadets, and the Royal British Legion. Thank you.